In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a referral program in Beehiiv. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. This is a fantastic way to grow your audience and reward your existing subscribers, so let's dive right in. First things first, let's understand what a referral program is. Essentially, a referral program encourages your current subscribers to share your content with their friends or network, and in return, you reward them. This can be through discounts, exclusive content, or even some exciting freebies. Now, let's get started on setting it up in Beehiiv. If you don't have an account yet, head over to the Beehiiv website, sign up, and create your profile. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Look for the Monetize section in the navigation menu. You might be wondering why we're going to that specific section. Well, the referral program will fall under this area since we are essentially monetizing the way people interact with your content. Click on Monetize and then look for the option that mentions Referral Program. Click on that and we'll get moving. Once you're in the referral program settings, you will be able to create your unique referral link. This link is crucial as it tracks who referred whom. It's like having your personal magic wand that allows you to see who's bringing in new subscribers. Before creating the link, you'll need to set up your rewards. Consider what kinds of rewards would motivate your audience. If your content is traditionally informative, perhaps a discount on future subscriptions or a sneak peek of exclusive material would be enticing. Be sure to define what the reward is and under what conditions it is given. For example, if someone brings in a new subscriber through their unique link, they receive 10% off their next subscription. Clear rewards can lead to more enthusiasm around your program. Now that you've outlined the rewards, go ahead and input those into the referral program settings. You may find fields for describing the reward, the eligibility requirements, and how soon the reward will be issued once they achieve the referral milestone. Take your time to think this through. A well-defined reward can significantly increase participation. Next, save your settings and generate your unique referral link. The link should be automatically created once you set up your rewards. Copy that link because you'll need it when you're sharing details about your referral program with your subscribers. Okay, friends, we're almost there. Now, it's time to promote your referral program. You wouldn't want to create a fantastic program and have nobody know about it, right? Think about sending out an email blast to your existing subscribers. In your email, explain the details of your referral program clearly. Provide the rewards, how to share the link, and why they should participate. Excitement goes a long way, so make sure to express how much you appreciate your subscribers and their efforts in helping your community grow. Also, don't forget to drop reminders about the program in your regular newsletters. Your audience may need a gentle nudge to get excited and involved. Be creative, use catchy headlines, and maybe even include graphics related to the rewards to connote value visually. Once you've launched your program, keep an eye on its performance. Beehiiv offers analytics, where you can check how many new subscribers are coming in due to the referrals. This will help you assess if your rewards are enticing enough or if you need to make adjustments along the way. And there you have it. Creating a referral program in Beehiiv isn't just about setting things up. It's about engaging with your community and finding creative ways to reward them for their support. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you could like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and happy creating.